Good morning students, welcome back to the class. In the previous class we have already learned how to represent a rational number into a decimal form. In this class we will be learning what are the terms involved in decimals such as period and periodicity. We will try to understand what is period and periodicity in this class. Before actually going into the topic, we will have a small look at your homework problems given yesterday. The homework problems which were given were 7 by 5. I hope you got 1.4. And the other problems were 3 by 4, which is 0.75, 23 by 10, which is 2.3. Okay. And I have also given some non-terminating decimals, right? Such as probably 0.78 bar, okay, and 3.6262, so on. Now, if you look at this carefully, these three are terminating. We have already seen this yesterday, and this two are non-terminating, right? These two are non-terminating. These two are non-terminating decimals, and these three are terminating decimals. I hope you all remember, right? So terminating decimals because they have decimal expansion which terminates, and non-terminating decimals which don't. Now coming to the topic of this period and periodicity. What is period and what is periodicity? Here if you see, non-terminating only are the things which have period and periodicity. Non-terminating decimals in which repetition is there. That is nothing but they are recurring decimals. What are these? These are divided into two. The first one is recurring decimals. Okay. So the second one is non-recurring. That means they are not repeating. If I have this example, 8 is indicated with a bar. That means 8 is being repeated. Here 6-2, here 6-2, next also 6-2, 6-2, 6-2. That means 6-2 is being repeated. Let us take an example which is non-recurring. For example, 1.3742893121, so on. If you see this decimal, there is nothing which is repeating, right? Every number is different. It is not coming again and again. But in this two, you have 8, that is 0.788888, so on, and 3.626262, so on. That means here 62 is being repeated, here 8 is being repeated. For this case, we will only see recurring decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals. We will have a close look at this. Now in this, 8 is being repeated. So the one which is being repeated is called period. What is that called? Period. So period is 8 for the first one. Okay. For the first one, period is 8. What is periodicity? Periodicity is the number of digits in the period. So in the period, how many digits are there? Only 1. So periodicity will become 1. Clear? The period in the first one is 8 because 8 is coming so many times. Okay. And periodicity is the number of digits in the period. Here how many digits are there in the period? Only 1. Now if you see the second example, can you tell what is the period in this? The period in this is, what is the numbers, digits which are repeated? 6262. So the period will become 62. And what is the periodicity? The periodicity will become, how many digits are these? 2. So 2 will become the periodicity. I hope this is clear for you all. We'll just go for once again. So recurring decimals means repeating decimals. In this repeating decimals, the digits which are being repeated are called the period form. Okay. So 8 is being repeated. So here 8 is the period. In this 62 is repeated. So 62 is the period. Periodicity is the number of digits in the period. So in this period, what are the digits that you have? How many digits? 1 digit. In this you have 2 digits. So periodicity is 2. Okay. So this is what we have learned in this class. We'll again come back for learning some more else in the next video.